If you are thinking about doing an implementation pilot, I would say that there are three main things that you would need to do to get yourself ready. The first is to have done usability testing. So an implementation pilot is really not meant for early stage, like you just started your tool, right? These are a little bit more for mid to later stage companies. But at the very least, you should have done some usability testing to have evidence that your tool is easy to use and free of all those technical glitches. So for example, if we were to say to the teachers, okay, I need you to sign up, I need you to find the teacher dashboard, I need you to find where the lesson plans are, all those things, the teacher should be able to do that on their own with very, very little training. And of course, free of all technical glitches. The second big thing is that if your tool requires any integration, like make sure that's already set up. For example, Clever for student rostering, any of those things should already be integrated. And then the third thing here, have an idea. So if you don't have any idea how the teachers or students or staff, whoever it is going to use it, you're actually at one stage earlier type of research, which we call feasibility research, which is discovering like, how do teachers use it? For implementation, you at least need to have an idea of how you want them. So imagine you're going to give a training and you are going to tell the teachers, this is how to use it. You need to have a set of those guidelines. And then what we're going to do in the implementation research is essentially validate those guidelines that this is in fact how we want teachers to use it. This is the successful way, and what are the ways that need to be modified from there. But we don't want to come up with the guidelines from scratch with implementation research.